Wait! Ottawa real estate market increased by how much? My name is Tom. I would like to discuss Ottawa real estate market, the expectations for 2021, and mainly what is driving the Ottawa real estate market right now. I would like to go over the number of sales, the average prices in Ottawa, the price increases over last year, so we're gonna do 2020 versus 2019. We're gonna go over expectations of the market. Why did Ottawa real estate market increase by so much? We're gonna first discuss the 3 or 4 major factors driving the Ottawa real estate market, and then go over the numbers for December of 2020 versus 2019, and then overall year 2020 versus 2019. The main factors that are driving Ottawa real estate market right now are major one is a demand and supply issue. We have a major shortage of inventory of homes posted currently for sale. Usually we have much bigger levels than that. There's only around 1,000 active listings for sale right now. This situation of low inventory has been like this for over 3 years now. The second factor that is driving those prices is the low interest rates on mortgages. You can get them below 2% for 5 years right now, and that's driving the market. The third factor is the multiple offers phenomena that we are experiencing for at least 1 year, and this especially has increased in January of 2021. We are seeing offers between 10 and 50 offers, with prices being driven over $100,000 or even up to $200,000, depending on the type of the property. Townhomes are really hot, but the prices are increased by a lot since last year. To give you an example, you could easily find a townhome last year for around $500,000. Right now you're looking at $600,000 and up. So my opinion is that Ottawa real estate market will continue on this way. Hopefully we're gonna get much more inventory, which will balance the market a bit. There is a lot of foreign capital coming to Ottawa right now, and there is a lot of capital coming from Toronto. Investors are buying in Ottawa, and people are moving out of Toronto and going into smaller towns, and also buying in Ottawa. So there is a lot of competition for housing. Given that we have low inventory, this drives the prices quite a bit. I have seen statistics that show there is lots of foreign looking from outside into Canada, into the real estate market. Let's go over the stats. Let's do December 2020 versus 2019, and then we can do the whole year and basically do a simple comparison. You can connect with me at sellingottawa.realestate. sellingottawa.realestate. For specific trends and specific prices in your particular neighborhood and at your street level. So a number of units, December 2020 versus 2019. For condos, we got this is sales. So we got 292 units versus 226, which is an increase of 29%. For freehold, we had 710 units versus in 2019 we had 531, which is an increase of 33.7%. For the totals, basically for condos and freeholds, we sold 1,002 units versus 757 in 2019, in December of 2019, which is an increase of 32.4%. Now, for the average sales prices in Ottawa, 2020 versus 2019, for condos in 2020 we had around 355,000. In 2019 we had around 311,000, which is an increase in average price of 14.4%. For the freehold category, in 2020 we had 603,000, and in 2019 we had 500,000. So you can see the big $100,000 jump increase in prices, which is 20.6% increase. Now these are the year-end figures. So when you take it from January to December, in residential we had 582,000. In 2019 year as a whole we had 485,000. So again 20%. And for condos it's 361,000 versus 303,000, which is a 19% increase. Taken into account whole year for 2020 versus 2019, for the number of units we had, for condos we had 4,516 versus 4,583, which is actually decrease in the units sold by 1.5%. For the freehold category we sold 14,455 versus in 2019 14,030, which is up by 3%. So you can see the totals right here, if you're wondering how many units are exchanged in Ottawa market. Now, look at this. The total sales volume increased from 8.2 billion to 10 billion. In 2019, we saw an increase of 9% overall versus 2018, between 3 and 5%, and 2017, 3 and 7%. In the year 2020, we had an increase of 20%. So you can see the progression of how it's increasing. Soon January data is going to come out and I'm going to do another video, and I'm pretty sure the number is going to be much larger, because in January particularly I saw this huge increase in prices, especially townhomes, due to the low inventory and multiple wars. If you need more information or just want to connect with me, sellingottawa.realestate, go there, click, and shoot me a quick email or give me a call. Thank you. This is Tomasz Witek.